This video is to show you about the new Splunk App for AWS 4.0, available for free download on splunkbase.com. The new app includes a topology view visualization, which I'll get into later. First, I want to talk about how easy it is to configure. Once you give the app your account information, we go and pull AWS to get your SNS, SQS, and S3 buckets for logging. This makes setup a breeze with pre-configured dropdowns and auto-detecting your account settings. Now let's take a look inside the app. The app includes an overview of your entire Amazon footprint, including multiple accounts and multiple regions. From the overview dashboard, we've enabled some drill downs to look deeper into your account. The one we're showing here allows you to drill into EBS usage. You can see how EBS is being used in your entire AWS environment. You can even see EBS that's missing snapshots. You can improve your performance by identifying when you're using non-optimized volumes. You can also reduce waste by decommissioning EBS that isn't in use. And you can drill a level deeper and see specific information about a volume of interest. Now back to the overview page where you can see your entire environment again. You can drill down into EC2 and see your usage across all of your accounts. You can even scroll down and drill into an instance that is underutilized to see if maybe you've over-provisioned it. New in the 4.0 version of the Splunk app for AWS is VPC Flow Logging. You can gain critical business intelligence from the traffic in your VPC. From our VPC Flow Log security dashboard, you can gain critical insight into authorized and unauthorized actions happening in your VPC. You can even scroll down and click on two IP addresses that are connected together and identify possible port sniffing activity. Because Splunk holds data in a time series, you can create an audit trail. You can even track IAM activities and notable events that happen with IAM roles. You can track VPCs, creations, and deletions. You can even keep an eye on key pairs, usage, creation, deletion, and activities that happen with key pairs, as this is one of the first things that you see when your account is compromised. As I mentioned before, the new Splunk app for AWS includes a new topology view. In this view, you can see multiple accounts, multiple regions. You can even isolate VPCs and see instances that have been stopped or terminated. We also included a time slider that you can pull and see how your account has changed over time. The topology diagram also allows you to gain insight into your environment. You can see instances that have been provisioned in the classic style. You can even click into instances and get telemetry on their performance and their usage. You can even identify VPCs and security groups that aren't in use currently. By turning on the security groups, you can see that the diagram changes quite a bit. The objects in the center of the diagram are actually the most important and are in use currently. So you can see there's multiple security groups here. There's a good chance that you could take some of these security groups and link them together and kind of clean up your account a little bit. You see the security groups that are off to the outside, those are ones that aren't even assigned to any instances, and they could probably be removed from your account. This will help you clean up your account for the future. If you want to get started with the new Splunk app for AWS, you can go to splunk.com and try out our download or a free cloud trial.